Okay guys, we're here in Joshua Tree today. A normal place for us. We're going to do Ryan Ranch. It's a little ranch house. I think it's about a mile. Half mile. A little over half mile to the ranch. It is windy here. It is Sunday. We got Ryan Mountain over here. Not too busy in the park today. The weather's sort of bad, it's windy. So I apologize for any wind noise you guys get. Yeah, we haven't been able to get out much lately. Family problems. We are out here enjoying Joshua Tree for the day. This is like our go-to get out spot. It's pretty close to home. Got a big lizard. Let's see if we can get him. Nope. Well, nothing to do with me. Yeah, so we're doing Ryan Ranch for right now. I'm probably gonna go do something else. But this is it's a short hike. Trailhead was empty, so we decided to stop here. It's only a half mile to the remains to the ranch house. Got Christina, we got Susan. And Susan are right back there taking photos. Do you have a lot of cactus in bloom? Look at these. Very cool. These actually have two colors of flowers, pink and yellow. Pretty cool. I am sorry for the wind noise, if there is any. This is actually the first time out in the wind with my new mic setup. Okay, we are entering the property of the ranch. It has barbed wire around it. We are coming up to the ranch house. This is Ryan Ranch. Pretty easy hike. It's only like a half mile. Check out this view. This is what you'd come out to your front door every day. Very cool. Sorry for the wind. This is a view out the window. Ryan Ranch. Hey guys, sorry for the wind, but it's getting windier. And that was our short little visit to Ryan Ranch. It is getting really windy now, but it's cool. All getting out and having fun. We're heading back now. We're gonna go see what else we can find. But like I said, I'll put some history of this place in the description below. But it's getting really, really, really windy. It's gonna be a good test for my new mic and new dead cat. It's actually the size of a mouse, but it's all good. Alright guys, that was our hike to Ryan Ranch. Short little hike, mile round trip. I'm going back to the car now with the Jeep. Thanks for watching. If you like what you have seen, please like, comment, subscribe.